Palantir stock keeps on moving, baby. I'm loving it. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate you all for tuning in as we're going to break down Palantir as it's trading up 3% pretty much right now in the midst of a red day. And it's not like a little red day. It's a pretty bad red day, guys. The S&P and the NASDAQ, they're each down 1%. The Dow's down 1.2 and the Russell's down 1.6, almost 1.7%. So we have to break down the charts, go over my thoughts, where I see Palantir going in the short term. But first, guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, join my free email stock newsletter, and if you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio, where I'm investing thousands of dollars a month, we're beating the market, check out the Patreon down below. Shameless plug, no pressure, of course. That's if you want to be a part of it. And with that being said, guys, cheers, take a sip of your coffee, and let's dive into it. And let me clear my throat first and foremost, guys. Yeah, let's dive into it. So Palantir is now at $138 a share, trading up around $4 a share on the day, 2.8% in the green. And notice how we're up about $6-7 from where we were in the pre-market. And another thing worth mentioning is if I pull up this 5-day, 5-minute, you'll realize something very important. Last week, we got down to $128 per share. That was on Tuesday, I believe. And notice on Tuesday last week, we opened at $135, $136 a share. And today, well, guess what? We actually filled the gap from last week. We recovered all the losses from last week because Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, well, Tuesday, really, last Tuesday, is where we saw a big drop, and then we spent Wednesday, Thursday recovering that loss. Now we've officially fully recovered the loss from Tuesday, and we broke over the opening price from Tuesday. Palantir opened up at $135.70, $136-ish in that ballpark, and again, we recovered that loss. And now we're building off of the, building up some gains, right, from where we were last Tuesday. So that's really good on the charts. The fact that we're taking that point, we're starting to go green on the week pretty much. And if I pull up this 30-minute chart, you guys can see that even better. And you're also going to notice we're starting to get a reversal. We're breaking out of these moving averages. We're getting a golden cross. The 50 SMA is crossing above the 180 SMA. And look at this on the 30-minute chart, guys. We have a clear inverse head and shoulders. We have the left shoulder, the head, and then we have the right shoulder right here. So clearly, this looks bullish. You know what I mean? And just because we have an inverse head and shoulders, a golden cross, breaking out of the moving averages, doesn't necessarily mean we're just going to go to the moon now. It doesn't necessarily work like that, but it's definitely promising. It's definitely promising in the short term. And if this triangle, or not triangle, inverse head and shoulders plays out, if this plays out, guys, look at where we could be going. Let me show you this wide open gap right here. You guys see it? It's pretty much right here, all the way up to about 146. To 148, which is where the stock was about a week or two ago, not even 2 weeks. Yeah, about a week or two, right? So, yeah, I mean, I'm loving the way this thing is setting up right now in the short term. Obviously I'm in this as a long-term investment. This is not, a short-term trade for me, but I wouldn't be opposed to trading it. As you guys know, I separate my investment account from my trading accounts. Usually that's how I do it. I know a lot of people do it like that as well. So I own Palantir in my long-term account, but it's also looking pretty good for a trade now. So, if we get a little pullback even, or even, I don't even know if we need a pullback, it might just go straight up to 146. Either way, I'm eyeing it up here, whether it pulls back, whether the momentum keeps bringing it up. I'm looking to, get in for a trade and capture this move up to the 146, 148 level. I think that's a pretty nice setup that we're starting to get. So I'm going to set my alert first of all, before we even continue here, at $140 per share. Mark is at or above. And it's 3:30 when I'm making this video, guys, 3:15 East Coast time. So we're probably not going to break over that point today. I don't know why my alert didn't go. Let me try it again. I don't think we're going to break out of that point today, but could it happen tomorrow? Could it happen over the or during the pre-market? I think it could. So my alert's not setting for some reason. Either way, I'm going to keep an eye on it. And I'm watching 140 closely. I'll be watching it all pre-market tomorrow. But at this point, man, 3% green day in the midst of a nasty red day for stocks. I mean, not terrible. It's not a terrible red day, but we are down across the board. Can't really complain. Can't really complain that PLTR is down, man. And I don't know what's going on with, or up, rather. You can't complain that it's up on a red day, right? And I don't know what's going on here with Thinkorswim, man. This thing's been giving me trouble. Honestly, I think it's my laptop. I'm overdue. I've mentioned this in the update videos here, guys. I bought this laptop. It's an Apple 2020, I believe, MacBook Pro M1. It's the first computer or laptop with the M1 chip. The one that I've been working on and making videos on, trading, doing everything for years now. That's this laptop with the M1 chip. I think it's long overdue for me to upgrade, man. I've made thousands of videos, so many trades. It's been nuts through this computer. I think it's time for a new one, clearly, because this thing is just not working on me right now. Come on, right in the middle of the video, too, guys. I apologize for this. I guess we can just talk crap for a minute or two here. But, yeah. Oh, wait. Here we go. There we go, guys. Patience is key. We're back. But, okay, there we go. The alert just got set. I guess it just lagged. Yeah, I guess it lagged. Now my two alerts I just got put on there at 140. Okay, so... Yeah, side note, I definitely need a new laptop. This thing sucks. And I guess I could get the battery serviced. I haven't done that. But at this point, man, it's like this laptop already got its money's worth. I paid like $2,000 for it. I'm going to just go buy another one for like $3,000, get the loaded up, whatever chip they're on now. Anyway, whatever. We're going to get to that soon. And Palantir, man, look at that. Inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour chart. Looks great. 140, the alert set. Now we're peeking out of this 180 SMA on the 1 hour time frame. Guys, I'm loving it. If we're able to get out of here, again, this could be a beautiful trade up to 148. And if you want to hold it even longer, it might break out of there and go even higher. Who the heck knows? But that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to keep you all too long. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Join my free email stock newsletter. And check out my Patreon for my portfolio updates every single week. That is linked down below. You might as well join, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.